Brother Antonio Pontiliano, and of course, isa ka living witness, Brother Boy Lumok, plan to look for a site, and this current site was being donated by Madam Nini Aureliana. Okay, so the new location of the Tambacan District Church currently is this place. So it was built soon in 1980, and there was improvement made. So second church nila, because the first church established here just very small with that Elliot Lamb shelter for the kids division. Then this is now the recent and the last improvement made in this side. So without much further ado, so we are very much grateful all of the effort made by the elders as well as with the members of the board, and also most of course the collaborative effort of all the church members. So we are very much grateful, especially the blessings of God, and also with the help and without hesitations made by Pastor Kali to always make a follow-up in order that this church will soon be arrived. And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome now to the groundbreaking ceremony of the new church building of Tambacan, Iligan City. Once again, good afternoon. Thank you.